everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we're going to be going over how to make your BMW trunk go from this, which is unlocked, to this. So as you guys saw in the last couple of clips, you saw the trunk was before when I opened up the E46 and to what it changed to how it auto opened. And this car has no sort of hydraulic system. It has just hydraulic struts to help open it, but it does not open up itself, as many of you guys know. It's not like the E60 or the E38, but you can do this to any E46, E39. There's some other ones you can do it for. You might have to find the right springs. So we're going to be using springs in this video, as I just mentioned. Yes, springs will apply enough pressure to allow it to pop open on its own. I will link these die springs down in the description. I did find some. I found this on a forum. I really wanted to do this, and they were all in euros, so I converted it all to, or someone actually put it in the forum what they think the American one would be, and I got these through a website. I think it was Fastenal or a website like that, but I'll put the dimensions of what these are and where I got them. So let's get started on how to do this. It's pretty easy. All you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver, adjustable wrench, and mini water pump pliers. I should also note that after I did this, I noticed that nothing happened, and that was because my struts were bad. If your struts are bad, because my car is 2002, you're going to need to replace the struts, and here are my new struts that I put on. So let's get into how you do this. So to start off, we want to take our flathead screwdriver and just pop it into that little spring, and you can pull it out. And then once you have it out, the strut comes right out like that. So what you're going to want to do is you might want to take a cloth around it, but you want to lift this up, grip this very, very hard, and then take your adjustable wrench and spin off like a normal nut. It's going to be very difficult the first time. Even now it's still difficult. And you'll hear it kind of creak, and that's just you breaking the bolt, and just continue doing all the way around till you get this actually off. And again, you might want to use a cloth. Like I said, I'm not too worried. It is a little banged up, but still not too worried. Oh, you make me wanna and all you're going to do is take a spring, feed it up on that side, and again, I'll put the dimensions in the description because I'm not too sure, and you're going to tighten it up. You're going to get to a point where you have to use the wrench again because it's just too tight. And once it's tight, if you're still spinning it around, like the whole thing, you can adjust how you want it to be. So as you can see, it's not perfect, but it will go on, and you don't have to release the tension clip again. You can just push in, as you can see, and that one's on, and it doesn't really move around once it's compressed, but that's really it. I mean, it's super simple, and it makes the car look awesome. We'll do the other side right now just to give you guys another understanding. I'm gonna do a quick time lapse. I'm not gonna go through it all again, but I'll do a quick time lapse of the other side. So let's get into that.
Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Just awesome, absolutely in love. So if your struts are good, and you know your struts are good, and your trunk's not opening up, my issue was just put some little silicone right here, and right down here, just because it might be really difficult to open, just no too much friction on metal. So putting some silicone in there will help. I did do WD-40 in the beginning, and it didn't work, so I suggest doing silicone. So far it's lasted. That's really it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment what you think about this. I know many are going to comment, oh, it's bad for your struts. Struts aren't that expensive, and to have this mod, I have FCP Euro lifetime guarantee on my struts, so I'm good. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to drop a comment on what you guys think, and feel free to subscribe if you like what we're doing here. Pretty soon, let me guys give you a little sneak peek of what's going on back here, of why my trunk's a mess. any of you guys know what that is, then you'll know what I'm doing, what I'm retrofitting into this car. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.